How to delete scheduled posts on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account, and once you have already scheduled your post, what you can do is you can simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top left. Then go ahead and tap on your page profile. Once you come to your page, simply tap on Manage Posts. Then over here you will be able to find your scheduled post on Facebook. Tap on any scheduled post you wish to delete. Now from here what you can do is tap on the three dots icon and simply tap on the option of delete. Now tap on delete on this pop-up. So with that you will be able to delete scheduled posts on Facebook. This step is only applicable for Facebook pages. So you can only schedule and delete a post on your Facebook page and not through your personal account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.